Sir, may magkasabi, hindi nyo ba ginigipit ang Korte Suprema sa pagre-request ng ganyan?
Ayan na naman, ginigipit. Baka sabihin nyo may binubuli kami. Wala kami ginigipit, wala kami binubuli. Gusto lang namin, kumbaga, alam nyo naman yung aming timeline, no? At alam din naman natin lahat na kumbaga, yung May 9, 2016 is an immovable feast. An immovable date. An immovable feast kay Hemingway. So, gusto nating siguraduhin na lahat ng paghahanda ay in accordance with our schedule. Kasi pagka pinush natin ang pinush yan, lalaki yung chances na baka magkaroon ng problema down the road. So, we would like to stick to our timelines as soon as possible. Kung kaya sa aming palagay ay meron namang sapat na panahon na magkaroon ng oral argument at an earlier date.
Sir, pag sinabi niyo yung problema down the road, what kinds of problems?
Well, alam niyo, di ba, marami tayong mga iba't ibang ginagawa na paghahanda. No? And many of these activities are linked to each other. In fact, I don't know who wrote it. I think it was the Inquirer about a potential domino effect. Pagka ang isang activity hindi mo ginawa on time, it will impact other activities down the road. Yung ating mga field tests, yung ating mga mock elections,